Okay, you can zoom in on the other ones and cut out the stuff.
Robert, what's your general feedback about this expedition #1 on our Basalt Island?
We've learned a couple of things, and I would say it was successful in that we actually found evidence. We believe we found evidence of a plane crash, which means we're looking in the right place anyway. So what we've got here is a whole pile of brass, which appears to be from artillery shells, probably naval shells. That's probably from a fuse of a shell, and these are all from the driving bands on the bottom of a shell. And then associated with those would be all these pieces of steel that we found in various places, so not just in one place.
How come they look like pieces of dirt to me?
Because they're rusted, they've been in the ground an awful long time. We could clean them up, but then they would just look like cleaned up pieces of steel. They're all shredded.
Right.
From the thing. But the important stuff we found is,
Yes.
first of all, that looks to be aluminum, and appears to me to be part of maybe an aluminum strut or something like that. It was hollow but fairly thick piece of aluminum. So that seems to be something interesting. Could be landing gear, yeah, I would think maybe. The most interesting thing is this, which is brass, which looks to me like it might be a fuel line or an elbow that goes from a fuel line into an engine. And I think we're going to have to do some work and see if we can figure out whether there is a part like this on a DC-4's engine. And that was found in a debris field that the second impact, you know, it's possible that something might have flown out of the second impact to where we found this. So I think that is potentially pretty strong evidence that we have found the crash site. So that was a pretty good find.
Excellent. Can we see the rest of your bag where all the gold pieces you're hiding?
No, but you can see my Instagram channel that has much cooler finds on Hong Kong Island.
Please do not do a self-plug here.
It's called Trash and Trinkets.
Visit me on www.trashandtrinkets.com.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah. So where's the gold?
There's no gold. I haven't found any gold. Everybody thinks you're looking for gold when they look at, when you see somebody with a metal detector, they always think you're looking for gold. But here's all the stuff that I found. There's a lot of grenades there and things like that, but and British pieces of grenades and fuses and insignia and things like that.
Right. Trash and trinkets.
Trash and trinkets. Yeah.
Right. How many followers do you have?
I have 100 followers.
Well, I'll be following.
I'm going to monetize it.
Right.
Yeah. So with my
With 101, I think you might just cross the threshold.
well, and I'll have to take a really good picture of this.
100
and
followers, that's about
We'll post that
$1 a year.
and distract people from militaria and say that now we're going to go into plane crashes. So,
Excellent. Thank you, Mr.
here's
Robert.
that knife.